What is going on, guys? Chris P&W RC Madness back again here today with an unboxing. Check it out. Probably should cover that up. It's going to be something pretty awesome in this box. I don't know, maybe some of you may know, some of you may not, just by the color of the tape. But I'll give you a quick hint. It's going on the LMT. I believe it's going to go on the Son Uva Digger. Definitely. Check it out. New Treal sticker. Let's see what we got. Got some packing foam. Oh man. Oh, check it out, guys. Oh yeah. So, I haven't even got them out of the wrap yet. So the first thing I'm seeing is some screws. Oh yeah, they're nice. Oh wow, check it out. Look at that wheel. Isn't that sweet? Oh my goodness. So they already come assembled. Minus a few screws. So let's go ahead and package this one. Just a quick video, just a quick unboxing. Show you how they do it. So just one bag of screws must be for both wheels. You get some for the front bead lock, and then it looks like you get some for the rear bead lock, and it also looks like you get some screws that go in here somewhere. I don't think there's any directions. Check it out. One more box, one more package. Oh, look at that. It comes in two boxes. Two boxes. So this one literally is a box. Box of 10. Do a really nice job packaging. Alright. And then we have one more time. That's why I was seeing that. I guess I won't be selling these boxes. Nope, so these aren't available. Alright. Well, that's what I'm going to do. Just go ahead and take that right off. Unbox. Oh, that works. And a Treal sticker. Some more packing, two more wheels. There we go. Another couple packages of screws. Oh, look at those. Oh wow. So there they are. All four. Pretty hefty. They're going to go on the Son Uva Digger. We'll definitely do a build video, how to show you the wheels or the tires I'm using on the next video. So there you go. Check it out. Pretty sweet. Yeah, so those beadlocks, those are beadlocks. And that's a rear beadlock as well. So no glue. Let's go ahead and mount up our tires. If you guys like this video, definitely leave me a like, leave me a thumbs up, leave me a comment below, tell me what you think about these, and catch you guys later.